Harley-Davidson. Today we're featuring this 2019 Tri Glide. This one here is a beauty. It's got the Scorched Orange and the black denim. Very rare find of a bike here. This one is equipped with a bunch of little options here, like the side bags here. You got your chrome bumper down here. You got your luggage rack here, and you got extra nice lighting on the back. On the lower, you got the little LED lighting, so you got the LEDs up here. People will see you coming from miles. Come on in, get this thing before it's gone, and it only has 3,600 miles, ready to go.